Children, in this lesson, we will look at some interesting concepts related to multiplication by repeated addition. Do you remember the Raju's and Bablu's magical glasses? Today, once again, they wore their glasses and moved out to have some fun. Come, let's see what they see through their glasses. First, Raju and Bablu have arrived at Gaggu Rhino's toy shop. There is a box of balls there. In the box, the balls are placed in 4 vertical and 5 horizontal compartments. Raju wore his glasses and looked at the box. He saw a multiplication like this. Now Bablu wore his glasses and looked at the box. He saw a multiplication like this. Is this possible? Is the multiplication seen through Bablu's and Raju's glasses the same? Come, let's look at Raju's multiplication. Here Raju saw 5 horizontal compartments and 4 balls in each compartment. 4 multiplied by 5. Can you write this in another way? 4 times 5. Now, how will we write it in addition form? By adding 5 4 times like this. So, what is the total number of balls? 20. Come, now let's look at Bablu's multiplication. Here Bablu saw 4 big compartments and 5 balls in each compartment. 5 multiplied by 4. Now how can we write this? 5 times 4. And how to write in addition form? Adding 4 5 times like this. So how many balls do you get? This is also 20. The multiplication seen through both Raju and Bablu's glasses were exactly the same. Children, isn't it interesting? We can write any multiplication in 2 ways like this, and its answer will always be the same. Bablu and Raju were very excited seeing the multiplication magic of their glasses. They didn't realize that they had reached the park. In the park, 5 birds were sitting on a branch of a tree. This time, Bablu looked at the tree through his glasses first. He saw this multiplication. Suddenly the birds flew, and now there was 1 bird on 5 separate branches. Raju wore his glasses and looked at the tree. He saw this multiplication. Did Raju see the same number of birds as Bablu? Let's look at Bablu's multiplication first. 5 multiplied by 1. How can we write this using addition? Yes, we can add 1 5 times. So how many birds in total? 5. Now let's look at Raju's multiplication. 1 multiplied by 5. Can we write it using addition? No. Why so? Because 1 multiplied by 5 is 1 times 5, which gives you 5. Raju saw as many birds as Bablu. Both of them saw 5 birds. Now, as they walked around, Raju and Bablu reached Golu Panda's dairy. There they saw bottles placed in a tray like this. The tray had 5 vertical slots and 5 horizontal slots. This time, both Raju and Bablu wore their glasses together and looked at the tray. But what is this? They saw the same multiplication through their glasses. Both were shocked. How is it possible? What will happen if we write the multiplication of vertical slots? 5 vertical slots and 5 bottles in each slot. That means 5 times 5 or 5 multiplied by 5. And if we write the multiplication of horizontal slots, 5 horizontal slots and 5 bottles in each slot. Once again the same. 5 times 5 or 5 multiplied by 5. Therefore, both Raju and Bablu's glasses are absolutely fine, and the multiplication shown by them were also same. Can you now find the solution to this multiplication? Absolutely right. There were a total of 25 bottles. Raju and Bablu went around the village happily dancing away. Children, in this lesson, we looked at some interesting concepts related to multiplication by repeated addition.